use it in real time. Okay, I will show. All these things we are going to use it. Okay, inside the base class for login, we are going to use it inside the base class. For other things, home page related things, we are going to use it from the. We are going to use it from where? In the test class. Okay. Now, I will show you one more time. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay. Where we are going to use this inside the test class. Inside the test class, we are going to use. Let me take one test case. Okay. One sample test case. I'll take it up. Let me create. What is this screenshot? This screenshot is not required. Let me delete. Let me move this to OPSP package. Okay. Now there is one test case. What is the test case? It's valid log. One test case is valid log. It's full login. That's it. Login. Okay, valid log. Then if you want it, you can log out. Then you can close it. Then you close the doors. This is what I want to do. Okay. Let me create a class called valid. Okay, login. No main method. Okay, let me use test method. Where I've created, where I should do it. My test case is what I just want to do login. That's it. Uncheck whether it is successfully logged in or not by taking title, compare it, uncheck whether it is successfully logged in or not, then log out. Okay, then log out of the application, then close the browser. This much things I should do it. Okay, this much things I should do it. Okay, either you can go for main method or alternate test. Let us use the test method. Okay, public void. Okay, I will use whenever any test case you are creating. For example, my test case is what valid. Okay, then you have to use this test. Okay, in few companies they will use prefix. In few companies they will use postfix. Okay, valid. When I was working in Capgemini, we were using prefix. Okay, my test case name is valid login, so I will create like this. Okay, then place your cursor on this test. Tell me which one I should import, first one or second one? First one. First one. Why first one? This is JUnit. Never ever take from the JUnit. Now one static block is required. Okay, one static block. Okay. What is there in static block? System.set property. Okay. And then you have to open the browser. Driver is new Chrome driver. Off. What is the key? Key is what? WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. What is the value? What is the value? Value what dot slash driver slash Chrome. Okay, driver dot exe. How to open the browser? WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, new Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Open the browser, enter the URL, done. Next step, I should do login. Okay, I should do login. Okay, where login elements are present. And how to use it now. Open the browser is done. Enter the URL is done. Next step, enter the username, enter the password, click on login button. Okay, go to this login page. Actually, we have we are going to use what void login. Let us use business logic. here string un comma string the name string construct freedom. Okay. I get 1 second. 1 second. Status method, right? You can also use status method. Okay. Or you can also use business logic. If this business logic method, you can use it. Okay. PW PBX dot send is password. Enter password. Same way. Login button LGBTN. Okay. Dot send is okay. Not send is pick. Okay. Dot pick. I will just call this business logic. Tell me how to call it here. How to call it in this class? Create or correct. But tell me. Login page, login out, new login page. Here, here to something that login and dot. Either status method, or you can also use status method if it is there, or you can also use business logic. Admin I will pass, and then here I will pass for manage. Manager. If I execute it, do login. Okay, then you can okay. I wanted to log out also. After login, I want to compare whether am I getting the title or not. How to check it? How to get the title? After login, I should get the title and thumbnail. Or no need, I just log out. I just want to log out. Here, where is this logout is there? Where logout is present? Present in the home page. So I have to keep where this logout has to be. You tell me. Where I should keep this logout? How to keep you tell me? Home page plus. Yes, correct. Go to home page. Go to home page and keep that element under defined by under. Okay, what I should use? Any locator. Right click instant. In reality, we never use driver.find. Always remember, we never use driver.find. What shall I use? What are the frequent use locators? ID, name, link text, and text path. Do we have ID here? Do we have ID? Yes. ID is there. So let us see. Let us at the rate find by ID logout link. Logout. Okay, then create break web element logout. Okay, logout link link. Okay, logout. Place this cursor on the other. Find by. And now next, for the next I should do. Element is created. Okay, whenever you're using what form, three things you have to remember. We have to declare the element by using what at the rate find bar notation. Then we have to initialize the element with the help of exactly of any element. Okay, three rules you have to remember. Form means three rules. What is that? You have to use what? You have to make the variable as private and declare as find bar notation. Then declare it. The constructor with the help of base bracket or delete element, then access outside the class with the help of get to something or business logic. And now create one constructor public, okay, public home page. Public home page. Here I will pass the variable Driver. Next, after that, next it. Paste factory. Dot paste factory. Driver is then you can use it. Okay, you can use the website again. Guys, is the voice is audible? Okay, Amrita is telling that my voice is not audible. Others. Sir, now it's audible. Okay, fine. If it is audible, then it's fine. If not audible, then okay. I'm saying it. Okay, fine. Now, see, you can use getters method, setters method, or business logic method, whatever you want. Let me use one getters or setters method. How to use setters method? Public void. Okay. Log out click. I will use log out. Click. Anything. Then here log out. Log out link. Log out link dot click. That's it. Just call this log out link. Okay. Tell me how to call that. How to call log out click method. Just now in tell me that create an object. Home page. Home page. New home page. Call the method. Okay. And log. Okay. Let me use. If you want, we can use what implicit, right? How to use implicit, right? The table dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly, right? I will just use the instead of that. I will use simply spread dot string. After doing again, I will just use one spread dot string. Some 5 seconds and 5, 7 seconds. Let's say for a second. Let me execute. It has to do login and do logout. If it is logout successfully, then I can say this case is passed. Okay. Valid login is working. What we are testing? Manual test case. Just open the browser, enter the URL, enter the username, enter the password, check whether home page is getting or not, then log out and close it. This is what we are testing. Open the browser, done. Next step is what? Enter the URL. Enter the URL is also done. Open the browser, done. Next step is what? Enter the URL. After that, what? Enter the username, enter the password, then click on login button, then click on logout button, then close it. Enter the username, password, click on login button also. After that, what? Click on logout, click on next. Right? Actually, I should try the browser. I should close the browser, but I'm not done the browser. maybe it will throw the error. Here, logout button is clicked because we got the login means successful. Please click on logout. And again, also use page object. This is how in real time we do this. Okay. In real time, there will be two classes. Always remember. Okay, two types of classes here. One is form class, one is test class. What is even form class? Okay, wherever elements are declared, those classes are called as form classes. How the number of form classes will be there at the time? Number of form classes will be equal to number of pages. 10 pages means in our application, 20 web pages means 20 form classes. What is there inside the form class? Elements of that particular pages. Elements present in that particular pages. What do you mean by test class? Test case. This is where we belongs. This is where we want to write the test cases. This is where we want to write the test cases. Okay, now in base class, actually, I told you we never do this. Okay, we will not do it in the login tablet. We are not going to do it. Why? Because it's already present in the base class. So here we are using what driver.find element. Okay, are we going to use driver.find element? No. We have to use what if we use the driver.find element, you know what happens. Okay? So instead of using driver.find element, we are going to use what? Page object model you have to implement here the base class. Inside the base class, you have to implement. Okay, how we implement? Here you create an object of login base class. Same way. Login. Okay, login page L is equal to new login page. New login page. Right, what you have to pass. Here you call that L dot, what is it? Set login. Okay, and event you pass. Okay, pass this event and pass this PW. What is this new event means? It is data. Now we are hard coding username and password. Now I am fetching it from the property file. Same way for logout link also. Same way for the logout link. Okay, tell me how to use logout link. How to use logout link? Create an object of form page. Correct. That's it. We are done it. This is the state of the net. It's a home page. Digital administrator. It should not allow. If you want to test any valid login test, there's no need of writing anything this much. Okay, just execute this. That's it. What is the URL we are using in base class? URL, let me change the URL. Proper way I should change the URL in real time. In real time, it is kept in the data folder. What is the URL? Present in the common data.properties. I will change the URL. That's 1 second. Save. Okay. Now, if I execute this class, okay, valid login, only one extra thing here, we use exchange space. Okay, base class. That's it. Sorry. Valid login exchange space class. Okay. Now let me execute and check it. If I execute this, the static block is also not required. it started opening the browser. And not without any code. Okay. Then login is done. Next step is what? Logout is also done. Close the browser is also done. Successfully. And fraud, you can see the report. Tell me where to see the report. How to see the report? Tell me. Where and how to see the report? This the project. Refresh. And go to test output. Right click. Give it open. And this is complete. And this is got executed successfully. Okay, same thing if you want to write it. Actually, in real time, we'll write the test steps. How we create one actual steps instead of write like this, instead of writing like this, we'll write the actual test steps. We will write the actual test steps here. Wait a time, we will write the actual test steps. Means steps for creating the customer. Okay. Means what? What is the meaning? From there, I should start creating the test case. You need to type there and user automatically will do that. Because it is very base case. From where I should write, I should create the customer. I want to create the customer now. Okay, I want to create the customer. Click on task. From here, thinking on the task, you should write the test. Click on task and create task. Okay, this is task, not the customer. Want to create customer here. Click on new button. Okay, and then you can create a customer. Say select customer. You can create new customer. Enter the customer name. Enter the project name. Enter the task. And then click on create task. Okay, like that you have to write the steps. Okay, where I should put this? Where I should put all these elements? Where I should put this new button? Where in the home page? Okay, where I should keep this also? This is also home page because title is not changed. Okay, how to create the pages based on the title? Where to create title changing means it's a new page or different. Title not changing, same page. This is just a pop-up. So you have to keep all these things for selecting new customer, entering this text box, this project text box, enter task the text box, this button, everything you have to keep it inside the home page only. Okay, everything you have to keep it inside the home page. We'll come to when I take up the project, what project we will take it up. Okay, there you will come to. Okay, there you will come to. That's all about the POM, guys. Always remember one thing is that number of POM classes will be equal to number of entries. Three rules you have to remember. What are the three rules? Is in POM, we are going to declare the element by using concurrent find validation by making the variable as private. That is first rule. Second rule, we are going to initialize the element with the help of init element present in the base factory class. That is constant. Okay, then last is we are going to access the elements outside the class, or we are going to access the elements with the help of getters or setters. These three rules you have to inside the income. And tell these three rules also. Okay. Now put any code. Okay, it is done. Any doubts in the form class? Any doubts in this? What happens if we don't use any element present in form class? Is all done? Am I done? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Any doubts in this? Can we dedicate form class without constructor? Yes. Can we use any element present in main method class? Yes. I showed you that also. Second way, that is other way of using it. Okay, yes, we should explicitly call the element method in this class. Okay. What is object repository? It's a location where we store the objects or element. Page object model is also called as object repository. Very, very important. They will ask you which object repository you are using. You can tell that form, page object model or page object repository. Okay. In form, we store the element present on the page in a particular page class. What is the difference between page object model and page type? Go through it. And advantages of form that are given. And then architecture of XMG are not given. They are given the architecture. You should know the architecture of this thing. Instead of that, I'll give the directly I'll give the framework architecture. Okay, put anything called framework. Everyone please to put anything called framework. Today I'm going to teach you framework. We'll start framework. Yeah, just put anything. Heading is anyone tell me what is framework? What is framework? Anyone tell me what is framework? What do you mean by framework? Why do we need framework? What is framework? Anyone tell me? Whatever you know, tell me on the slide. Anyone tell me what is abstract code or inbuilt code? No, it is not a code, guys. It is a structure. Okay, it is a structure. It is a rule. Sir, remember we just rule and cut off. Yes, sir. Yes, correct. It is a standard rule and guideline. Okay. Okay. 1 second. If you need a test engine architecture, no one will ask you the architecture of test engine. If you want, still you can get it. If you still need the architecture of test engine, please take it. Okay, take it up. Why I am not giving is because few people have been confused with this test engine architecture and the framework. That's the reason I just stopped giving this. Okay? If you still need it, okay, don't get it, not get confused. Okay, if you need it, you can take it up. Take it up. If you need the architecture of test engine, you can just take this screenshot and then save it somewhere else. Okay, don't get confused with this architecture of the test engine. Done. Okay. It is the set of
Rules
it is a
and
set of
guidances.
rules and guidelines. Set of rules and guidelines to be followed. Okay, to be followed while automating any application. Now, why they need to follow set of rules? Why? What is these rules? Why? What is the advantage? Okay, to be followed while automating the application. While automating the application. Okay. It is a set of rules and guidelines to be followed while automating the application. What is the advantage of this? Consistency will be there. First thing. Okay. Then maintenance will be easier. That is a main advantage because now we are automated almost like for example here only 2 test cases you can see, or if you go to this almost like 30, 40, 50 test cases we have automated. If we assume one class has one test case, okay. Now in real time we'll be working on thousands of test cases. Minimum 300 will be there. Minimum 250 to 300 test cases will be. That's the least price. Okay, it may go up to 700, 800. Okay, now in that case, day by day, complexity will increase, maintenance will be difficult. So if you follow these rules and set of rules and guidelines, okay, while automating the application, maintenance will be easier. It will save the time. Okay, it will also save the time. We can execute faster. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, we need one frame. Okay, we need one frame. Framework is a set of rules and guidelines or best practice to be followed while automating any application. Or you can say that framework is a collection of feasible components. That means automation, test script, development, execution, modification be easier and faster. You can take any one of instruction or procedure followed by every company to automate test scripts and achieve regression testing. Different definitions have even marked it up anyone. Okay, framework is a well-organized structure of reusable components where one driver, the script, will take care of entire batch execution without any driver. Okay. Then in framework, okay, there are 3 stages will be there. 3 stages will be there. One is framework. Okay, one is framework design. Framework design. Okay, and framework. One more is okay, framework development or implementation. Okay, last one is framework execution. Framework execution. Okay, they're going to design, guys. Okay, they're going to design. Okay, they're going to design the framework, means which framework we have to use. Okay, what framework I have to use. Like that, what are the things required? Okay, like that, they're going to design. for my application, which framework? Like that. We have different frameworks. Okay, we have different framework. Okay, one is data-driven framework. You know already what do you mean by data-driven? Okay, what do you mean by data-driven framework? We already know. What do you mean by data-driven testing? Same thing. Data-driven framework is the same. Okay. Next, okay, method-driven framework. Okay, method-driven framework. Okay, method-driven framework. And then modular-driven framework. Modular, okay, driven framework. One more is hybrid framework. I am going to teach you hybrid framework. What do you mean by data-driven framework? If you are using external resource files, if you are keeping data, reading data from external resource files, it is called as data-driven framework. What do you mean by method-driven framework? In order to avoid writing the repetitive steps, we use reusable methods everywhere. In form, we are using reusable methods, right? Everywhere we are using methods. Okay. Okay. Here also in form also methods will be there. See, login page. How many methods? Set login. This get username, text box, like that. Everywhere we are using what methods? Methods. And if we go to file name class, we are using generic methods, right? Here just we are calling this get property value. Same way we are calling this set get Excel value, set Excel value. We are calling the methods. We are not going to write anywhere program. We just call the program. We just call the methods. So that is the reason we call this our framework as method driven. That is the meaning of what method driven framework. What do you mean by modular driven framework? Okay, if you are maintaining module wise, okay, few companies they will create a class like this. Instead of create customer, they will create a class like customer module or one package also. If it is very used to create package called customer module. Inside this, they will keep here. They will keep what? Create customer, delete customer, modify customer, search customer, like all the customer related they are going to keep. If you are maintaining like this, then it is called as what? Modular driven framework. Since we are using all these three, so I am going to call it as our framework will be one hybrid framework. Are we using data driven? Yes. Are we using method driven? Yes. If you are maintaining module wise, then it will be module. So if it is, what do you mean by hybrid? More than one. Hybrid itself will tell. More than one framework is called as modular driven. We do have different frameworks. Okay, like keyword driven framework. Okay, keyword driven framework. Okay, we do have VDD. Okay, framework. What do you mean by VDD? Any idea, anyone? Behavior driven development. Okay, like that. Okay. In Cucumber, it is what there are few things called Cucumber. It is going to use BDD frame. Okay, in Cucumber. And also we have one more thing called protractor. Like that, different companies will call different names. Okay. So I have given it in notes. There is one thing called data provider. It is not done. I have given the description about what do you mean by simply keyword driven means what. Okay. We are not going to use keyword driven frame. Keyword driven, it is used by the manual test engineers, guys. Okay. They will use one Excel. In that they will build the expert. If you know how if you know how to write the expert, that is enough. Everything will be taken care by that Excel. No need of writing any code in keyword driven. Okay. Now put it in called framework. Take down the definition of the framework. Please take down the definition of it. Now we will start creating one project. We are going to automate one project. Starting from the scratch, entire thing we are going to automate. One project we'll take it up and then we'll start automating. Take down this. Then take a done, sir. Okay, everyone done. Then everyone others done. Done, sir. I will take up one test case. Then we are going to automate that test case. Okay, we are going to automate that test case. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. See here, I have created one test case. This is a test case. We are going to automate it now. What is the test case? What are the things we have? One serial number, test case ID, test case name, test case name, create customer, test data. What are the test data? One test data is what? URL, user and password. Customer name is there. You have to create the customer with this name. Customer description is banking project status. You can put it here. Actual result, expected result. What is the steps? Open the browser, enter the URL, log into the application, means enter the username, enter the password, click on login button, then click on task tab, click on add new button, select new customer in the menu, enter the customer name, enter the customer description, click on select customer drop down, then select our customer in the drop down, click on create customer. After creating, you have to verify the customer successfully created or not, then log out of the application, then close it. This is one small project. Okay, what's the project name? ActiTime. In that one test case, we have going to take and taking. That is create customer. Let me show you manually. Manually. Okay, open the browser, enter the button, then log in. Then next, click on task. What's the test is this? Click on task tab. Okay, done. Click on the task tab. Okay, done. Next, click the step number 5. Click on add new button. Here, add new button. Then click on new customer. Then click on new customer, enter the, click on select new customer in the menu, then enter the customer name, enter the customer description. Enter the customer name here, HDFC underscore 001. Customer description is, okay, what's the customer description? What is customer description? Banking project. banking project like this. Next, the next step. Here, select our customer in the copy project from the existing project problem. Here also same thing. After that, select our customer in the drop down. You have to click on this drop down, then select our customer. At last, click on the create customer button. This is what I want to automate. This project is acting on project means that create customer is the one. Okay, this is we are going to automate. This small project we are going to do it. Okay, observe this case. Okay, then verify whether it is created here or not. Then click on log out, then close the browser. This much we have. You just tell me, I will follow. Okay. I will follow. You just tell me. Anyone tell me, I will just follow. How to do it? Okay, I don't know. You just tell me. First step is what? First step. Tell me the first step. Okay. What are the three things we have? Out of the framework design means which framework we are going to use. We have decided that is hybrid framework. Okay, that is the next. Now I am going to develop the framework. Okay, here in design, okay, one thing will be there. One is folder structure also included. In framework development, we are going to develop the classes. Okay, let us design. Okay, let us design framework. It's done. Okay, framework selection is done. That is hybrid framework. We are going to automate. We are going to use it. Now here, click on the file. Click on new. Then select here. Okay, select here project. New Java. What's the name of the project? I will give it as active time. Click on done. Next step. What's the next step? Starting from the scratch. Then we have to create three folders. What are those? Tell me what are the folders? Tell me the folders name. One is paper. Jar. And one is correct. Jar. Next. One more is data. One more is data. Is my voice is breaking, yes? Is my voice is breaking in between? No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Okay, I think maybe someone was speaking in. Okay, someone was speaking in between, I think. Okay, check now at least. Is my voice is clearly audible for you? Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, again, it's once to speak. Okay, you just. Okay. Now. Okay, now what I should do? Done. Okay. Again, frame folder structure I have created. Packages I should create. How many packages we have real time? How many packages under SRC? Tell me. 3 packages. So create 3 packages. Form dot. What's the project name? Active time. Right. Every project. Dot next. Tell me the next project. Package. Form dot active name dot. One more is what? Com dot. One more. Com dot. Active time. Or you can also use test script. Okay, you can also use test script. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, both in few companies they use test. In few companies they will use test script. You know, even instead of form they will use object repository. Both are same guys. Okay, don't get confused. Both are 3 packages created. Now I should add jar, all the jar files inside this jar folder and Chrome driver.exe file, Chrome driver.exe file, shall I take it from the existing project? All the jars, because almost there are 20 jars out there. I will copy all the jars. You can see how to copy it, how to copy all the jars here. Open your old project, that is automation. Click on this first one, then press shift down. Okay, right click. Okay, right click, copy. Right click, copy, and paste it inside the jar folder or jars, whatever the folders is. Okay, I have added all the things. Selenium standalone server is there, and Apache Pi is there. Okay, now I should add all the jars to the build path. In one shot also you can add. Click it, one click, shift, press shift, down arrow. Okay, done. Next thing is right click, go to build path, add to build path. Go to build path, add to build path. Done. Okay, all the jars is added. In the same way, copy the drivers. Okay, Chrome driver.exe file and Gecko driver.exe file. Copy both the drivers and paste it inside the drivers folder. Okay, now like that only, create one Excel file and property file. Okay, let me create one property file. How to create a property file? Tell me how to create one property file. Okay, URL, give the URL, and then username. What are the three things we are going to keep it in the property file? URL, username, and the password. If you want, you can give the browser also. That is not required. Let us keep it. What is the username? Username is what? What is the username? Admin. What is the password? Manager. Guys, if I'm going to first stop. Okay, if I'm going to first stop me in between there itself. Okay. URL is demo.actitime.com. URL is what? www. Okay. Demo.actitime.com. HTTP demo.actitime.com. Username is admin, password is manager. Save the file. Control S. Save the file as common data dot property. Property or properties. Save it. I have saved it. Save common data dot property. Copy this file, then put it inside the data folder. Put it inside the data folder. Same way. Okay, what are the other things I should give? Excel file. Okay, Excel file should create one Excel file. It is already there here. Let me delete this Excel file, not required. Okay, create one Excel file, right click on new. Yes, select Excel. Give the name as okay, next script dot Excel essence. Open it. First, tell me what data I should keep. What is my test case name? What is the test case name? Okay, you have to follow this coding standards. Okay. My street name should be same name as test case. My test case is what? Create customer. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, don't get confused between okay, this is what is this? Tell me. This is manual test case, guys. Okay, this one we are not going to use it. Okay, this one we are going to refer it. That's it. Okay, which one we are going to use it? The one you have created. The one which you have created, this is the one we are going to refer. From here, we are going to take the data. Okay, we are going to take the data from this. Why it is not opening? Is it open somewhere else? Here, see here, how to create sheet name to be what test case name. I will give it as create customer. Here, I will keep it customer name. Here, customer description. What is the customer name? HDFC underscore 001. What is the customer description? What is the customer description they have given? Banking project. Banking project. These two data, I should get it from the property file. Okay. Let me save this file and close it. I am going to keep this data, keep this data, keep this file inside the data folder. Okay, inside the data folder. Now, tell me, what are the class I should create in Genrex? How many class we have in Genrex package? Tell me the classes. One is base class, as we know that one's like close each and everything. Okay. Three class. Okay, what are the classes? One is base class. I will create one base class. Okay, base class. Okay, and one more is file class. I will create one file class. Settings of certain. Next step. Okay, next step. Base class is done. File class is done. Listener class is. Let me create one more class called listener implementation class. LISTE, listener implementation. Class. Three classes done. Same way, inform how many classes I should create in page object model. How many classes? Let us see that. One is login page class. I need that. Damn sure I need what? One login page class. Manager. Enter login. Next step. What is the next class? I need inform class. How many form classes I should create? Normally, in real time, they will create all the classes. All the classes means how many number of web pages are there, that much form class they are going to create. But we don't have that much time, so we will create for this test case how many classes are required, that much we are going to create. One is login page class. Next, what is the name of this class? Enter time track class. Enter time track class. Enter time track page class. Or you can also create it as this is home page. You can create it as home page class. Enter time track. Enter two things. Okay, let us go to there. Let me create one form class called login page. What is there in login page class? What will be there in the login page class? What will be there in the login page class? Elements of login page, like login password expose, login button. Those three things. Like that, I will create. You can create it again. You can either create it by two ways. One is home page. Also, you can give the name, or enter time track page. Any one you can give. Okay, for home page. Because title of the home page is what? Enter time track. You can create like that, or you can simply create as. It depends upon the company to come. Okay, done. One second. Where is this? Here. Okay, what is the first step we have to click on this task? After clicking on the task, where it is going, check it out. Task list page. What is the page name? What is the page name I should give here now? What's the page name? Task list page. My task list page title is task page. So you have to create a page name as task list page. Why we need this? Because here on the add new button is present. You have to click on task tab. Once you click on task tab, it is navigated to where? Next page. What is the page name? Task list. So you have to create this page. After that, click on add new. on add new, then click on new customer. And now tell me, should I create one more page for this or not? See the title. Title is changing now. Everything, this element should come under task list page of thing. Okay, so 3 pages we need. What is the one more page? One more page class. Task list page. Task list. 3 pages is enough. Okay. First, this 3 pages is enough. Okay, but in real time, you can see all the classes, page classes. Same way, my test case is what? What is my test case? Customer, create customer. I will create. I will use a class name called create customer. Or if you're using maintaining module wise, you can create customer module. You can create a class as customer module. Okay, create customer one test case or delete customer. Like that, modify customer. Modify customer. Okay, here we have to write the test case, create customer test case and should. So that's it. Anything else we need to add? Here we are going to write test case. Okay, you have to add test.ng also. For this, you have to add test.ng. For this project, test.ng is not added. How to add test.ng for this project? Tell me. For this project, test.ng is not done. How to add? How to add test.ng to this project? Right click. How to build path, add libraries, select test.ng and click on next. Finish. Test.ng folder name. Now I can use this. Now we can use here. Now we can start writing here @test public void. Okay. What is the test case name? Test case name is what? You have to use one test after the test case name. Create customer. Okay, create customer. Place your cursor on this text. Click on this. Now you convert to test.ng. Right click, go to build path. Sorry, not build path. Go to test.ng. Convert to test.ng. We create one source file. Okay, click on finish. So this is a folder structure of our entire project. Okay, put a heading called folder structures. Please take down this. All these things, folder structures, please take down. Take down like this. 1 second. This is the architecture, not the folder structure. See, this is the folder structures. Please take down like this. Put a heading called folder structure, then take it down like this. Same thing we have created. Okay, here they may use object repository or test or test scripts. Like that we can create it. It is up to us. Okay, like this. Only please take it up. See here, ActiveTime. Project name is ActiveTime. Under SRC we have 3 packages. Then one folder called the data. Data folder is there. Okay, then test output folder and driver jar is missing. If you want, you can add driver jar. Okay. Test output will come once you execute it, guys. So please take notes. Put heading called folder structure, then take it. Put heading called framework folder structure. Today I will be taking the mock. Shall I take the mock today? Everyone is prepared? If you need it, take notes. I'm going to test it. Both are everyone create the same. Everyone do it in your system same. Everyone do it in your system only. Everyone do this. No, 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 no. That is not a verified customer. You need not to create. Okay, Soma is asking, sir, in the project you have mentioned about verified customer. Where I mentioned verified customer? So do you want, you're asking, do we need to create one more test case? No, only one test case. See guys, whenever we create the customer, what is the guarantee that it will be created? Okay, with annual testing case, they will see it. Okay, they will see it and then they will verify. In automation, how will you verify? How will you verify the customer? Only one step, that's it. After creating, check whether customer, whatever your HDFC underscore business data one is present or not. Get the text and compare. That's it. Okay. Everyone now, everyone's do the same thing. Whatever I have done. Okay, whatever I have done, everyone do it. Okay, let me repeat one more time. Those who are not done this year. Okay, I'm going to repeat one more time. Whatever I have done. I have created one automation project called I have created one Java project called it's a project that to automate. It's a one small project that to automate. In fact, I have created three folders. One is data, driver, and jar. Inside jar, all the jars I have created. How to get? You can go to your automation project, copy all the jars and paste it. After pasting, you have to add it to the same way. Only one file is enough. Chrome driver.exe file is enough. Okay, you can copy this Chrome driver.exe file and paste wherever it is downloaded, or you can also copy it from the automation also. Then inside data folder, keep the common data.property file and keep teststream.xlsx file. Okay, common in what is the use of property file to keep all the to keep what? Then we to keep all the common data like URL, username, password. What is the job of teststream.xlsx? In order to keep the test data like create customer. What is the name we have to create? Like HDFC underscore 00. Customer description, customer name. We are two things we are going to create. Okay, then you know that in real time we'll be having three packages. What is this? One is com.academ.generic, com.academ.form, com.academ.test. Or instead of form, you can create it as object repository. Instead of test, you can also create as test. Both are same. Under generic package, create three classes: base class, file name class, result implementation class. Under form package, create these three class: home page, login page, task list. Under this, only one class is in. Only one class you create, that is create customer. Just to show you, I have a word delete like this: delete customer, modify customer, just for your reference. Okay, you will be having classes like this. Plenty of classes will be present. Okay, this is what I have done. That's it. Everyone do this. Everyone done it. Shall I proceed? Okay. Okay, do it. Do it. Fine. Okay. This one also I've done. That one also. That one, nothing is a customer name, customer description. That's it. Take the list also. Hey, how to add? I showed you guys how to add extension to your Java project. Right click, build for add libraries. Okay. Build for add libraries. That is how we're going to add extension to the so on. Yes. Now, same way login phase is done, do it. Okay, remaining thing tomorrow I'll be doing. Okay, if you do this, if you do it as an assignment, then only you will come to know what I am going to do, what I am doing in the class. If you don't do it, okay, if you don't do it, you will not understand it. Whatever base class is there, everyone needs to do it. Everyone try to automate yourself. You know how to do it now. Everyone try to do it. I will also do it from this batch tomorrow. And then starting from this batch, I am going to do it. From here, I will do it. Okay. What is base class? How to? What is there inside the base class? Everything I am going to do it. If you do it once, okay, what I am doing tomorrow you can understand. You will understand. Or else you will not get anything. Even 5 lib class also. Same thing. Whatever 5 lib is the same thing you have to write it here. Even listener implementation class also. Okay, even login based class also. These 4 classes I want you guys to write and check whether login logout is working or not. Just simply execute this. Create customer class, put one test method and execute and check whether it is doing login and successfully logout is working. This is the assignment, guys. I want everyone to do this assignment. Okay, if you do the assignment, you will understand what I am doing. Or else you will not get anything else. Okay. Will you guys do this tomorrow today? Okay. It's that assignment and prepare. Tomorrow I'll be taking the mock. I'll be taking the mock tomorrow. Entire Selenium mock, except this framework, everything I'll put on. In that mandatory question is what is test engine, what is data-driven testing, what is change object. These 3 questions first one I will ask. Remaining things, programs, everything's next. Okay. So I need 1 hour minimum. Okay, I need minimum 1 hour to execute guys. Okay, to create this. So that's the reason I'm not going to continue now. Okay, I'm going to wind up. Before that, okay, if you have any doubts, those people can stay here. Others can leave for it. Those who have taken this one and the Excel also. Let me open this one more Excel also. Customer name, customer description. Here, the sheet name is create customer. You have to do these 3 things.